welcome to a new vlog. We're actually going out of state this weekend. We're going on a little mini vacation, I guess. We're going to Arizona this weekend. It's like about a 4-hour drive. Look at this crazy guy. Say no to drugs, y'all. Say no to drugs because you... Oh gosh, that sucks.
First and then try to go.
I have a couple of errands that I need to do today. I need to go to a couple of places. I need to go get my high school transcripts from the district office, the school district office.
What's your high school?
Mi prepa, la prepa, mami. Yeah, we're gonna go. This is where I enrolled her in preschool too, I think. And after this, I need to go do a live scan. People like stare at you and stuff because you have a camera.
I had a bag. You see, I had a bag. See, I had like a bag.
Please select extra service.
Get this car wash. My car needs a car wash. It really does need a car wash. No se pongan a platicar, señores. No se pongan a platicar.
Say hi, Nan. Say hi, Mommy. Hi, Mommy.
Hey guys.
Mom, I'm gonna take a picture. Okay, guys. I need to go to the restroom. I need to go to the restroom.
Oh my god. Let me show you guys how clean this car looks right now. Looks super clean. We got two clean ass cars right now. See how these tires, it leaves it really nice.
I have to go to the restroom.
Tienes que abrirle. I'm gonna start on my dinner now because homegirl got to eat. If you guys haven't checked out my video on how I make these, go ahead and go check it out. I got the little bag at the swap meet. I had to go to the store to get cheese though. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. Alright, so I just got here and we're gonna get off. Yay. Oh, that's a beautiful color. Alright, let's go to the store, guys. I still don't understand how to fucking drive this truck. Okay, let's go. So originally what I came for was to get some waters. Sorry about that, no worries. It's. Gotta get eggs too. So I'm making chiles rellenos, and my chiles rellenos are not gonna cook with that egg. Have you guys ever tried these? They are like so good. My daughter doesn't like them. She hates them. She actually hates them. So I think we got everything, guys. So I almost forgot the oil, guys. I almost forgot the oil. Do you guys use corn oil? Alright, I'm gonna make some rice, and I have the chiles already like sweating in that bag, so this is probably gonna take me about like an hour or so to complete. So the kids are outside right now. They are actually playing. What's up, boy? You scared? Oh, good boy. Oh my gosh, he's gonna hit his head. Alright, so I'm gonna drizzle like the olive oil on here. Whoops. You don't want to do that. Just a little bit. Actually, before I drizzle it, before I get my hands dirty, I'm gonna put my spaghetti to cook. Because I am making a food that my kids do not like, I have to make them separate. And I need to make spaghetti for my kids. I'm gonna make this recipe that I saw online. I'm gonna attempt to make this. I love cheese, so a ver cómo nos va. What am I looking for? Una cuchara. Yeah, so I just finished the rice. Ni lo probé de sal. Hopefully it's not salty.
I'm still hot.
Come on.
Mommy.
There's the rice. It's really good. I just tasted it. And then I'm just making my kids spaghetti. Let me show you guys the asparagus. They're in here. I think I'm gonna keep warm or just to bake. Yeah, they're in there. And then after, I'm gonna drizzle them with some mozzarella. Hi, baby.
And then I just put it on the lava, in the piece. Look at up there. And I can't believe I want to make food.
Come below. You hungry boys and girls?
Yep.
Yeah, that's what they are eating because I don't like chiles rellenos.
Remember, we like the starry the starry and the banana and then peach. Where's peach? Yeah, peach. Yeah. My baby brother loves egg, not me.
So I just finished cooking these up and they are absolutely delicious. I didn't think they were going to be that good, but because I love cheese. Delicious. It tastes really, really good. That's a great way to get your vegetables in, and at the same time, it's good. So now I'm just gonna start my chiles because my husband's on his way home from work already, and I'm hungry too, so I don't have to eat that late. So. While I wait for this mask to dry.
Magic. Magic. Look, you ready? I'm gonna make a pink butterfly for me. Magical, magical. Look a butterfly. Boop. I need a pink butterfly. You guys. Whoop. You guys. This pretend you guys don't want me to
Okay, tell the vlog buenas noches.
Buenas noches. I take a shower away. I mean, ready. I say ready. Buenas noches. And then I take a shower and then I'm ready. Okay, cause the guy.
The guy.
Look, you guys. Look at the cat. Look. You did.
Alright guys, we're gonna end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. He just got out of work like 3 or 4 hours ago, so he hasn't been in the vlog. But
And then goodbye.
don't forget to like and subscribe. Yeah, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Bye. Okay. Thank you for watching our channel. Bye. Mwah.